about time he gets a little pissed off. Let's see what the protein does. What's up, boy?
Stuck his ear.
Oh, you got my mouth, boy! Oh! Oh my god! It just turned epic! It just turned epic!
Oh, fuck.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a war on our hands.
I was leaving.
Dude, he dropped his toothbrush and everything. He was like, fuck this!
I have to leave.
Alright, you might want to go wipe it off your computer.
Yeah, that was a good shot, boy.
Jeez.
Got in my mouth and everything.
Oh, back to the shower, I guess. Okay, let's take two.
Oh, I didn't know where to start.
Alright, did that backfire?
Little.
Look at me. Give me one more look.
I don't want to.
Give me one more look. I'm zooming in. One more look, Loran. Look at me. Alright, he plastered you, man.
Yo, that's a whole can.
This is true. What a night. More to come.